verbs. So I welcome you all in SP Smart hybrid schooling system. As you know, we are moving in the fifth day of your spoken class, but today we will be having a discussion. It's a kind of revision. We will be having a very important topic, and we will be trying to revise the concept of the relation that has been developed between subject and verb. So बच्चे, could you please help me? What do you mean by subject? If I ask you about the definition, could you please help me with the definition of subject? Subject होता क्या है? What do you mean by subject actually? Anyone?
So it is a word or noun on which the whole sentence is dependent.
Okay, it's a word or a noun on which whole sentence is dependent.
Dependent.
Okay. Dikshita, what do you want to say?
So मतलब कि ऐसा वर्ड जैसे कि जिसके बारे में सेंटेंस में बात हो रही हो उसे हम कहते हैं सब्जेक्ट.
ओके, ऐसा वर्ड जिसके बारे में सेंटेंस की बात हो रही हो उसको हम कहते हैं सब्जेक्ट.
सब्जेक्ट.
Okay, let's start from the grassroots. Okay, if I give you a sentence like she is kicking the football, what's the subject over here?
So she.
She. Okay, let us take she as a subject over here. And what would be the helping verb over there?
So is.
Is the helping verb. And what is the main verb?
The kicking.
Kicking. Okay. Main verb is kicking. And what would be the object?
Football.
Very good. What do you mean by helping verb? Helping verb क्या करते हैं? What is the main role of helping verb? What helping verb is actually doing? यहाँ पे is क्यों है? Why we are not using are over here instead of is? Class?
Sir, we are using it because so that the sentence can make sense.
Very good. We are using helping verb so that it connects sense. Okay. What is the another reason for it, bachche? What is the another reason for it? Okay. I give you another example. She is sleeping.
Girls, switch on your videos.
She was sleeping. She will be sleeping.
सर ये हमें मतलब बताती है कि पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर के सेंटेंसेस है इसलिए.
ओके, इससे ध्यान से पहले हम इसके कंसेप्ट को क्लियर करते हैं सो दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव योर ग्रामर एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव योर स्पोकन पार्ट ऑल्सो, राइट. सो ये कौन सा टेंस है बच्चे? वी आर नॉट गोइंग इन टू टेंस, जस्ट टू गिव यू अ रिमाइंडर रिगार्डिंग द टेंस. इफ यू रियली वॉन्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई द टेंस, विच टाइप ऑफ टेंस इज यूज इन द वेरी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस? हु विल आंसर?
Sentence she is sleeping.
Yeah, it's present. वो सो रही है,
Yeah.
right? It means वो सो रही है,
It's a
right?
present continuous. Present continuous.
Who is saying it's simple? Who is saying it's present simple or simple present or what type of tense it is? कौन बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि ये simple present है? Raise your hands. बेटा don't go into tenses. It will definitely hinder your basics. But you should know the basics. ठीक है? You are definitely confused between simple present, present continuous over here. But don't go to that. Just answer in present, past and future. She is sleeping, that means it's a present tense, right? She was sleeping, it shows which tense it is.
Past tense.
She will be sleeping.
Future.
Future tense.
How do you know?
So because
Helping verb.
Because of the helping verb you came to know about the टेंस कि वो पास्ट का है, प्रेजेंट का है या फ्यूचर का है, राइट. So helping verb help us to identify the type of tense which is used in the sentence. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming back to the this sentence, what is the main verb? What do you mean by main verb, बच्चे? What do you mean by main verb? What is main verb? मेन वर्ब क्या होता है बच्चे? वर्ब क्या होते हैं?
So action words.
Yes,
Action.
yes, action words. Words that shows actions are known as verbs, right? And what is the object?
So anything.
Anything? Yes, anything.
Sir, a thing on which the action is done.
The thing on which action is done. He or she is the one who is performing the action, right? Subject is one who performs the action. Please try to understand. Performs the action. And thing which receives the action, which is a receiver, is known as object.
Object.
Is it clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Subject
Yes,
is
sir.
something, anything who is performing the action. Object is anything that is receiving the action. Helping verb help us to identify the type of tense which is being used in the given sentence. Kicking is the main verb, right? Main verb means the action. The words that shows action are known as action words. Okay, so coming to the subject part. How many type of subjects are there? सब्जेक्ट कितने टाइप के होते हैं बच्चे इन टर्म्स ऑफ पर्सन्स? ओके, वेरी गुड. 3. Could you name them?
First person, second person, and third person.
Girls, switch on your cameras.
First person, second person, and third person.
Third person.
What do you mean by first person?
So I am.
Why am? Am is a helping verb बच्चे.
So I, we, you.
I, we.
I.
Okay, first person होता क्या है? Give me the definition. What do you mean by first person? What do you mean by first person बच्चे?
Sir, first person means like we are saying about ourselves.
If I'm talking to you, I will be the first person, right? I'm talking to whom? I'm talking to you. You will be the
Second
Second
person.
second person. If we are talking about Narendra Modi,
Third person.
then
Third
Narendra
person.
Modi would be
Third person.
Third person. Third person.
wait a minute. Where's my
Mute yourself, mic on.
it's not getting erased. Okay. Then Narendra Modi, any name would be the third person. Okay. So, what do you mean by helping verbs? Helping verbs are those words which help the main verb to form a sensible sentence, right? Helping verb is also helping you out to know, to identify the tense which is being used in the sentence, right? What helping verbs we are using in present tense? Can you name?
Is, are,
Is,
am, are.
Is,
Am,
Am.
are.
Are.
With whom we are using is? Third person is he, she, it name. Okay. With whom we are using is? With
Sir,
which
third
subject?
person.
With which subject?
Third person.
Third person.
Third person.
Okay. He, she,
It.
it.
It and they.
With whom we are using I?
First person.
First.
That means we are using am. Sorry, we are using am with I and with we also. Do you want to say this?
No.
No, sir.
We
No.
are only using am with I.
I.
And see, you have a wrong concept. We are using is with singular subjects. Okay, we are using am with I. We are using are with plural subjects.
Plural subjects.
Keep this thing in your mind so that it would be easy for you to remember. Okay, name plural subjects, बच्चे.
They.
We.
They. We.
Are.
Got it?
They.
So whenever you are using or making sentence in your spoken form of English, you have to be very particular about the things you are speaking. What are other helping verbs for the present tense apart from is, am, are? Please name them. Apart from is, am, are, what are other helping verbs which we use in present tense? Name them. Do, does. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What are other helping verbs? Can you name them? Have, has. Have been, has been.
Has been, have been.
राइट. डू के साथ कौन से सब्जेक्ट आते हैं बच्चे?
Ira, can you hear me? Sit properly, beta.
बेटा डू के साथ कौन से सब्जेक्ट आते हैं?
I. We. You. They.
आई, वी, यू,
And
दे. डस के साथ
he. She. It. She. It.
ही, शी, इट, नेम. हैव के साथ
I.
I.
We. And they.
हैज के साथ
You.
यू.
You.
हैज के साथ यू.
No,
He. She. It.
नेम. राइट. हैव के साथ हैव बीन के साथ सॉरी सेम. आई, वी, यू,
You. And
दे. और हैज बीन के साथ ही,
He, she, it,
शी,
he. It. And him.
इट,
he, it, and it.
नेम. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So your relation between subject with the helping verb in present tense has been cleared. Is there any problem with present tense? I'm not going in the tenses. I'm just making you revise your basics. That is the relationship what subject has with the helping verb in the present tense. I'm not going into the category of tenses in that thing, nothing. I will not confuse you. I just want you to have a good hold over your spoken part. For that thing, you should know the relationship between the subject and the helping verb. Specifically for all the tenses, we have covered the present tense. बेटा यहाँ पे किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
Shall we go with the past tense?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So help
Yes,
me with
sir.
the helping verbs which are being used in past tense.
Was, were,
Okay.
Was,
Was, were,
Where नहीं were. Was, were,
had,
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 had been,
sir, had,
and
Could.
did. Did आता है ना बच्चे? Okay.
yes,
Which subject will come with this helping verb? Who will be answering? Answer me fast बच्चे. was के साथ कौन कौन सा सब्जेक्ट आएंगे बेटा? I singular,
I would.
he,
I, he, she, it, name.
They.
दे क्यों आएगा बच्चे? सिंगुलर आएंगे. सिंगल सब्जेक्ट और सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स. गॉटेड. वर्क के साथ क्या आएंगे?
they,
दे,
we,
वी,
he,
यू.
you.
ओके यू को यू इज ए सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट बट हम इसको एज पर द रूल्स इन ग्रामर वी ऑलवेज कंसीडर यू एज ए प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. गॉटेड. समझ गए बच्चे?
Yes, yes.
दिस इज ए एक्सेप्शन. वी ऑलवेज कंसीडर यू एज प्लूरल एज पर द ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स. एज पर रूल्स. गॉटेड. ओके हैड के साथ क्या आएगा? ऑल दी सब्जेक्ट्स. हैड बीन के साथ क्या आएगा?
one subject.
I, we, you, they.
ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स.
All the
डिड के साथ क्या आएगा?
all,
ऑल. बट जब डिड हम यूज करते हैं तो फॉर्मूला क्या होता है सिंपल पास्ट का? जब भी हम
Sir?
डिड यूज करते हैं, यस बच्चे,
सर जब भी हम डिड यूज करते हैं तब हमेशा उसके बाद जो भी हम वर्ब लगाते हैं उसकी फर्स्ट फॉर्म होनी चाहिए.
हाँ, वर्ब का सेकंड फॉर्म जो है वो वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाता है व्हेन वी यूज डिड. इज इट क्लियर? डिड के साथ
Yes,
हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आएगा. जैसे कि आई डिड माई वर्क yesterday. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
had के साथ
yes, sir.
कौन सा फॉर्म ऑफ
Yes.
वर्ब लगता है?
So
But
verb की
क्लास
first
में
form-
टेंसेस हुए हैं?
Yes, sir.
Have you done
Yes, sir.
tenses in the class? It has been completed. बेटा कंप्लीट हुए हैं क्लास में टेंसेस? yes or no? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? You will be
Yes,
going
sir.
with a revision of the same. ठीक है? I won't be taking you to the tenses as I want to discuss only the relation part. Okay. So moving to future tense. What are the helping verbs we are using in future tense? Who will answer?
The will shall, shall be, will be, will,
Okay. Will, shall,
shall,
it's shall. Okay. और कौन से होते हैं?
will be, shall
Be.
we have been,
Will, shall,
have been,
will be,
be,
shall
Will be and shall.
have been,
will
shall
have,
have been,
Shall have.
shall have, will have been, shall have been. ओके हम स्पोकन में फ्यूचर परफेक्ट और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस को ज़्यादा यूज़ में नहीं लेते हैं, ठीक है. सो वी विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन ओनली टू कैटेगरी ऑफ टेंसेस इन स्पोकन, दैट इज योर सिंपल फ्यूचर एंड योर फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस. विल के साथ क्या आता है बच्चे? विल कौन से सब्जेक्ट के साथ आएगा? बेटा जी कौन से सब्जेक्ट के साथ आएगा विल?
He, she, it.
she, it, and I name,
I will.
she, it, name, you,
I,
they. I के साथ will आएगा as per the grammar.
No, sir.
I के साथ क्या आएगा?
Shall.
It's not shall. You are pronouncing shell. ये होता है shell, ठीक है. This is shall. I and we के साथ as per the grammar आपका shall आएगा. But you know, in today's world we are speaking modern English. अगर आप spoken English में I और we के साथ will भी लगाते हैं तो that is also right. No one will make you wrong. But as far as our written English is being concerned, as per the grammar rules, I और we के साथ हमेशा shall आता है. Is it clear? Done?
okay,
So now whenever you are speaking something, you will be going through the relationship between the helping verb and the subject, because the relationship of subject and helping verb plays a major role in sentence formation. And definitely if you are speaking the sentence in a right manner, you will be speaking right English and you will be having a good command over the spoken skills, right? Though we are not going to grammar in deep now because that is your academic part, but it's better to revise things if it has been done in the class. I want you all to revise your tenses and do come prepared with your tenses tomorrow. Is it clear? But whenever we are speaking English and we are practicing English, we don't have to go with the specific tenses. We just have to cover up the main tenses that will be helping us to segregate the time frame. We must be in position to identify between past, present and future tense, right? We are not going in detail, but we are touching all the basic things in our spoken English classes. Is it clear, bachche?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything, any problem, any doubt you want to ask?
No, sir.
All clear?
yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you repeat that?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm giving you a homework. You have to make a video on how you spent your Sunday. Please write it down. You have to make a video on how you spent your Sunday. Which tense has to be used for it, bachche?
Past.
Past tense.
Yes. So I want to see the usage of your past tense in this video. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Okay.
doubt?
No, sir.
You can go with these subject and helping verb relation page, what we discussed over there. Okay, please be particular. Was किसके साथ आएगा, were किसके साथ आएगा, had किसके साथ आएगा, if you are framing in that way. Okay, because I was going through the videos and in majority of videos we are not having a good grip over the tenses. जहाँ पे हमने कम बोला वहाँ पे came बोला है. So कहीं ना कहीं we are having a trouble. It's a minute thing, right? A minute trouble right now for you as a learner. So we can get rid of, we can rectify it and we can get rid of it, right? So practice, frame a nice, make a nice video and ping me in the group. Is it clear, bachche?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dikshita, you want to say something?
No, sir.
All done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
At
sir.
evening,
What बच्चे?
sir, we have to make a video on our Sunday how we spent it, so we can send it at evening.
Yes, you can बच्चे. You can connect to your IG ma'am and ask her to open the group whenever it's done, or take a specific time from IG ma'am and send your video in that particular time in the group. No worries, no issues from my side.
Okay, sir.
Okay बच्चे?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are closing for the day. Thank you, all the best, God bless you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Keep smiling, keep shining.
Uh,